Good morning, Mo'ai Rabotai. Be'ezrat Hashem, Mincha is going to be at 8 o'clock. Please be on time. The halacha that we were discussing on Friday, we were talking about paper being Muktze, and it used to be in earlier times that it was considered the highest form of Muktze, Mahmad Chisaon Kis, because people were very careful to not use it for other things. And in today's times where they're not careful to use it for other things, it has the status of a Kli Shemelachto Le'isur. What does that mean? Kli Shemelachto Le'isur means you're still not allowed to move paper, blank paper around. But if you need it for something, like to use it as a bookmark, or to move it off a chair because you want to sit on a chair, l'tzorech gufo, l'tzorech mekomo, it is mutar like every other instrument that its primary designation is for isur. There's a question that was asked though. A few weeks ago, we spoke about a candle or a candlestick, and we said that the Gemara's time, they had a candle that used to be a container. I don't mean a candle like a wax candle. I mean like the container of the candle or a candlestick. We said is not considered to be muktze, not at all considered to be muktze, and the reason is because it contains the isur in it, and it is not an instrument that does the isur, and therefore we said it's not called muktze. So one can ask a question: maybe paper should be considered a kli shemelachto leheter. It shouldn't be something that's asur. Why? Because it contains the isur in it. It's not that I'm using it for the isur. It's the isur is being written on it. I mean, the pen is a kli shemelachto leisur, but the paper, one could argue, perhaps it's a kli shemelachto leheter, no different than a candlestick. In truth, that's not the case. That's not the halacha, and the reason is it's more similar. The paper is more similar to a pot. In the case of a pot, because it's the pot itself is also not doing a isur per se, but it is aiding the isur. Which means, in terms of a pot, it would be cooking. If I put food in a pot, it's true that the fire is what's doing the cooking, but the pot is aiding and assisting in the cooking, and therefore, even though it's stationary, it's still considered a kli shemelachto le'isur, except for the fact that we discussed a little bit a while ago about is a pot a kli shemelachto le'isur or not. Either way, when it comes to the piece of paper, we view it as if it is assisting the writing. The writing requires a pen and also a paper, and therefore both of those are accomplices to the isur, and it is therefore called a kli shemelachto le'isur. And once again, blank pieces of paper would return to the status of a kli shemelachto le'isur, that is muktze, and cannot be handled except for the specific conditions of all kelim shemelachtam le'isur. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.